how to add credit card to PayPal. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process to link your credit card or debit card to your PayPal account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. As you see guys, I'm using the new PayPal account. Then this video will show you how you can easily add your bank account and also linking with the credit card. Then guys, open your PayPal account, just go directly on the left side because I'm using the business account for dropshippers or e-commerce. Then guys, after opening your account, just go directly to pay and get paid. Then guys, go directly into the wallet section. Then if you want to add your payment or bank and card, then hit on bank and card, then it will take you directly to add your credit card and bank account. Then if you want to add your bank account first, or you can add easily credit and debit card, then hit and link a card. It's very easy guys. Then guys, you need to add your card number, the type of card, the Visa, MasterCard for example, and American Express or Discover. Then guys, you need to add expiration date, security, and the billing address. For example, link your card. As you see guys, you are confirming your info with MasterCard. Wait a few seconds to confirm your payment. As you see guys, MasterCard identify. Then after you adding the received code from your phone number, you need to add your personal security password. If you want this then if you want to this personal security password, just you need to go to your Payoneer account and go to settings and select security settings, and you need to select the personal security password. Then guys, go directly and tap your security or personal security passcode. Then guys, select this section, then hit on confirm. As you see guys, ID check, then automatically your Payoneer debit card or credit card has been confirmed and linked successfully. Then hit on done. It's very easy guys. As you see guys, this is my credit card, was added successfully to my PayPal account. Then guys, go directly to pay and get paid. Then automatically you will find your Payoneer account or your Payoneer credit card was added successfully. Then if you want to add a new card, just hit on link a card. Then you will be able to add the other card or debit card for your PayPal account. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add your credit card or debit card to your PayPal account without using no prior experience and no application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.